This happens to your body when you've quit sugar for 1 month. Given the modern cosmopolitan lifestyle we lead these days, we are constantly, either consciously or subconsciously, consuming large quantities of sugar every day. Sugar is present, not just in obvious unhealthy foods and beverages but also in so-called healthy alternatives such as nutrition bars and fruit juices. It's a vicious circle of calorific nightmares that's almost impossible to escape. So you really need to watch out and be careful about what you're consuming. Did you know that excess consumption of sugar is not only addictive, but also potentially dangerous for your body? It can lead to multiple, serious health problems including obesity, diabetes, heart diseases and tooth decay to name a few. Quitting sugar isn't all that easy though, especially if you've had a sweet tooth all your life. You will have to endure a passing phase of side effects and mood swings, restlessness, depression etc. But once you get past this phase, you'll realize that the benefits are well worth the trouble. We suggest cutting down on the sugar slowly in smaller doses rather than at once so that your body doesn't have to endure a sudden shock before you can reap the benefits of this positive change in lifestyle. Once you cut that unwanted sugar out of your life, here are a bunch of positive changes you can expect. 1. Helps lose excess weight and inches. Once you cut down on the sugar, the cravings reduce too, thereby decreasing your overall calorie intake. Moreover, it's not news to anyone that sugar in itself contains a huge amount of calories. On an average, most people consume about 20 teaspoons of added sugar a day, either directly in food and beverages or through added sugar in packaged foods. Cutting down on this added sugar can easily help you shed that unwanted fat, lose those good 2 to 3 kilograms and also shrink a couple inches. Now wouldn't that be nice? 2. Reduces risk of heart disease. Overconsumption of sugar is extremely harmful for your heart. It chronically raises your insulin levels, which can lead to increased blood pressure and heart rate. 3. Combats acne. Did you know that a sugary diet is one of the primary contributors to your acne problems? Even that soda and so-called fruit juice you love so much isn't doing you any favors. So just cut that sugary junk out of your life. We know it's hard, but think about that clear acne-free skin and hold your stand. 4. Reduces signs of aging. Are wrinkles and pigmentation already starting to haunt you in your 20s? There's only one culprit to blame. It's all that sugar in your diet. Sugar causes glycation, the deformation of collagen and elastin in your skin. This collagen and elastin is what keeps your skin looking youthful. By reducing your sugar intake, you can automatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and also any pigmentation related to aging. 5. Combats dependency. People often associate sugary foods with happiness and also indulge in them to gain instant spurts of energy. While it's true that sugar does give you an instant rush, it's not exactly a healthy way of getting things done. Once your body gets used to a pattern like this, sudden sugar deprivation can be quite difficult and often leads to depression. However, if you can sustain this no-sugar phase, your body will eventually overcome the shock and learn to stabilize without the help of any additional sugar supplements. This is definitely a tougher route, but it's a sure shot way to overcome that depression. 6. Lowers the risk of diabetes. Eating high-calorie, sugary foods are known to increase the buildup of fat in your body, which in turn affects the level of insulin in your body. Insulin resistance in your body affects the functioning of the liver and pancreas and in turn leads to type 2 diabetes. Quitting sugar gives your body's natural detox systems a chance to do their job. It's simply not worth risking your health for a few moments of indulgence, so it's about time you cut that sugar out for good. 7. Helps you remember better. One of the scariest drawbacks of excess sugar consumption is that it causes brain fog. It damages your brain cells and in turn affects your ability to remember things. So next time you're tempted to indulge in a box of donuts, remind yourself that you're better off without it. 8. Reduces insomnia and improves sleep patterns. Have you noticed how those sugary midnight snacks keep you from getting a good night's sleep? Sugar is known to be one of the largest contributors to insomnia because it chases away the fatigue and replaces it with instant energy that'll keep you awake all night. However, this does not change the fact that your body needs 8 hours of rest, and sooner or later this sleep deprivation is going to manifest itself in dangerous ways. The crash from a sugar high will leave you with midday sluggishness and an itching need for a nap. Cutting out additional sugar from your life will help restore balance in your sleep cycle. You'll get a good night's sleep and be awake and energetic in the morning. Just the way it's supposed to be. 9. Improves oral health. Sugary foods cause cavities and tooth decay. This is something you've been taught since you were kids. Cutting down on sugar helps you maintain your oral health and also helps prevent bad breath caused by cavities. 10. Helps overcome mood swings. We all get cranky sometimes, but an instant sugar rush is not a solution to the problem. In fact, it only adds to the problem by conditioning your body into this bad habit. Studies show that people who eat a diet high in added sugars and refined grains are more likely to experience anxiety, irritability, and mood swings. Once you cut back the sugar, it might take a while to overcome these withdrawal symptoms, but eventually, you'll be much better for it. If you've decided to live a healthier lifestyle by quitting sugar, you'll soon experience the exponential health benefits and realize why it was the best decision ever. And now that you've been prepared for the slight rough patch before the euphoric bliss, we really hope you'll stay the course and go all the way.